Okay guys, in this video we are going to show you how to log in to the members area of the website, and if you are a member, also how to download the plans if you're a member of the Barn Plans library. So you just go up here to the members area on the website, click on that, and then you'll need to enter your username and password that you created when you signed up, and then log in. And then of course if you forgot, click the forgot password. And then if you're a full member, which of course I am, you'll have all of these different sections of the membership area to choose from. Or if you are a DIYer member, you'll have the full Barn Plans library. You'll actually have the full membership that you see here. And then if you are a homesteader member, you'll have, of course, all the free ones, plus the chicken coop plans and the homestead plans. You just won't have the DIYer plans, the bigger barn plans. So there's still some bigger barn plans in here. Like, well, let's take a look at those just real quick. And then we can show you how to go ahead and download plans while we're at it. So you can see in here, we've got a couple of different sheds. There'll be more sheds added soon. Got a few different chicken coops. These are basically plans that are good for homesteaders. You got some chicken coops, some sheds, and some barns. And these are, we've got the 20 by 20 king posts, cabin with a 10 by 20 covered porch. That would be a great plan for a food stand or something like that, roadside stand. It'd be great for that, or for a cabin. Just all kinds of different uses for that little barn there. Then we have a 20 by 30 king post pavilion that you see videos on our channel about. And then we've got the Sugar Shack, the 20 by 24 gambrel, the 20 by 30 gambrel, and the 24 by 30 dairy barn. So quite a few small barns that are great for, small amounts of livestock, just a homesteader type barn. So anyway, so let's say you want to download this 20 by 30 gambrel. Click on that here. And real simple, you'll just have a couple of links here at the top. You can click to download that, and it will download in a zip file. So you're going to want to open that probably in your downloads folder, whether you're on Windows or Mac or Linux, depends on what you're on. I prefer Linux, but if you click on the file button there, honestly, I haven't been on a Windows and Mac machine so long, I don't know how it saves it for you, but it should save it on your computer somewhere, the default location. You've got your zip file downloaded here. What you want to do is, what I like to do is I like to open a new or make a new folder. So let's, because we got a lot of folders in here. You probably got a lot of folders in your computer also. So I like to create a new folder and then name this folder Barn Plans. And then you can take that 20 by 30 gambrel barn and just move it right over there into that Barn Plans folder. And then you won't have to hunt for it when you unzip it. So you right click on that and then extract it here, and you'll see there's the 3D model of the gambrel. And if you want to open an SKP file, these are SketchUp files. What you'll need to do is you'll need to go to a website called apps.sketchup.com, and that's going to ask you to sign in. So if you have a Microsoft, Apple, or Google account, you can sign in with those. That'd be the easiest way to do it. Or you can create a Trimble account. This is free, so whatever you need to do. I'm going to go ahead and just sign in with Google. And then, of course, use my information here. Okay. There we go. Now we're signed in, and it'll load this little thing here. I don't know what it does the first time you log in, but it should be pretty self-explanatory. And now what you want to do to open that, because you won't have any of these here, but you'll want to click open from device, and you'll want to go to that folder, which is in the downloads. and open that. And then now we're at the SKP file, and we're going to go ahead and click open, and it'll upload the file to SketchUp so that you can take a look at it. And there we go. So then with SketchUp here, you can do all sorts of things like rotate the model around. You can actually modify this if you wanted to. You can grab like here's a bent component. You can open this up. You can say you want to delete that post. You hit delete and that post is gone. So anyway, so if you want to do some slight modification to your file, that would be a way to do it. So and this is, of course, this is the 3D model. We've got a couple of different, these are sketches that we use in the 2D plans to kind of illustrate different things. Like here's the door bent, and here's the interior bent kind of. And then if you want to, usually we have some scenes in here that we've already saved. Yes, here we go. Bent frame. Take a look at that. There. So it gives you a couple different views. Section view. They may or may not look like the the picture, the thumbnail there, but you can see different ways to navigate the file. Here's probably where we want to look at their outside ISO. There we go. Rear elevation. You can kind of take a look at that rear lean-to. But yeah, it gives you all kinds of different views in 3D. So, but this isn't all that you get in your plans. Go ahead and close this and go back to, we're going to the page. Go back to BarnGeek.com, and then, so you just downloaded the model. You need to go ahead and download the plans also. Give that a minute to complete. Open it with the folder. And then, let's see here, extract it. We'll go ahead and move that to our file, Barn Plans file. There we go. Open it up and then extract it. Okay, now we've got the Gambrel Barn Plans. So we can open up the plans. Some of these files will also have, this is actually an older copy of the ebook, but still valid. It just doesn't have as much as the newer version does. But if you go double click on the plan, you should be able to open that 2D printable format. This is kind of the kind of thing that you would want to print off, save from a local printer in a plan size format. So most of these are 24 by 36 and then scaled to that. And then you have basically notes here. These are construction drawings, but a lot of people do go ahead and get permits with these drawings, but that is in no way guaranteed. So just be aware of that these are only guaranteed to be construction drawings. So you'll be able to build your barn, your contractor will be able to build your barn from these plans. These are not guaranteed to be sufficient for your building department. Unfortunately, we just can't do that. It'd be a disaster, nightmare. It would cost thousands of dollars for the library, probably more than that. In order to cover every jurisdiction and every area, it would cost a lot. So there's just no way we could do that. So, but a lot of people have, and it just depends on your area. But anyway, that's kind of what the plans look like. And then, a lot of them have, the last page will have a cut list. And then, yeah. So that's what that looks like. Let's go ahead and go to the how to build a barn course. I think that is where the book lives. So a lot of people ask about the book. So you want to open that up and see we're in our 5th edition for how to build a barn, traditional post and beam barn. Go ahead and take a look at that. Downloading in PDF format. Oh, we're going to open it right up here. So you see it's 67 pages. But don't worry, there's a lot of pictures. So yeah, see, there's an old barn. Anyway, you can see that here's the book. So if you guys want the book, and we added some testimonials from some of our folks, but if you guys want to get the book, if you want to get the free book and the free lessons, just go to barngeek.com. Okay. And then just right here at the front, name and email address, register. And that's all you got to do. And you'll get emails giving you instructions on um, how to set up your account and get into the members area and get your stuff. And this is the course. This is the free course and all the stuff that's in here, plus some bonus content. So anyway, I hope you guys like this video, and enjoy your membership to barngeek.com. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to info@barngeek.com. That is our main customer service method of contact. You can also call us, but it's really a lot faster to email us. You're going to get a lot quicker response. So yeah, we got a lot of, the reason being we got some kids in our house, and it's not always conducive to phone call conversations. So, but anyway, thanks for watching this video. Enjoy your free course, and hope to talk to you soon about your barn project. Have a great day.